Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to send files on WhatsApp in maximum quality. You can send up to 2 GB files. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to the settings of WhatsApp, then go to manage storage and data, then click on media quality and make sure to select HD. Now let's go to chat and click on the plus icon and then tap on document. Select the video or photo you want to send. Now you will be able to send files in maximum quality. So that's it for this video guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.